As a project profitability tool, COR provides real-time information about profitability at a company, client, and project level. In this video, we're focusing on project profitability. This information is extremely useful for understanding our overall project budget, the hourly cost and additional costs associated with the project. In the Profitability tab of our project, we see both projected and current results. The projected row uses the current budget of the project and subtracts the estimated hourly cost and additional costs to give us the expected result. This information is based on the total estimated time per task, the hourly rate of the collaborators assigned, and any additional costs toward the project. The current row shows the budget, the hourly cost from time that has already been tracked along with the additional costs. As more time is tracked toward the project, this information will automatically be updated to reflect the new hourly cost and current profitability of the project. If tasks take longer than expected, the deviations will be displayed on the right-hand side to show what was estimated versus what was tracked.